So a while ago I put up a poll, see what you guys wanted to see, more CTS-V, or should I build that Mustang back there? It's not exactly a zoom lens. It was a pretty resounding answer of, build the V. So here is the 2007 CTS-V. It's pretty plain looking. Really, I think the wheels and not having tint kill it. How are you? Have a good day. Take it easy. I guess this is not the spot. I was going to do a flyby here, but just had somebody pull up and ask me what I was doing, so I guess we'll find another one. So this video is going to be short. You guys are saved from another boring video because the GoPro didn't record any volume. So I got nothing to show you except for me talking to myself in a car. Alright, so kind of did like a walk around of the car. Things we have coming for the car. We have fuel suspension. Going to do full coilovers all around. I got new wheels coming, new tires. This radio here is going to be pulled out. I have an Android radio going in. Also have my Z-Tronics wideband. Has fuel pressure, boost, all that kind of stuff built into it. So that is all to come. And then really just drive it. I mean, I plan on taking this on a road rally in October, so I mean, it's more than enough time to get that kind of stuff done. So we'll knock that stuff out and go for a ride. So I will be bringing you guys on the rally with me, so that'll be fun. There's an old video from my last CTS-V actually, that we did on the Rally North America OV 700. That was in 2014, I want to say. So yeah, that was a lot of fun. Did that with Tommy Malloy. If you guys have the chance to do a road rally, I highly recommend it, especially Rally North America. I mean, it's not just like you see on TV. It's not just the rich folk in their Lamborghinis, going 150 miles an hour. This is kind of their normal. It's kind of like a scavenger hunt, so you don't just get to that point the fastest you could. You kind of got to figure things out along the way. So it keeps it interesting. It keeps you from having to drive 150 miles an hour, because that's not really my style, but it allows you to kind of be competitive without pushing the limits. In 2015 we actually got second place in a Ford Escape with my cousin Noel and both of my kids with me. We had the app Glimpse, so my wife at home can see where we are and how fast we're going, and she kind of put the limit on us. We couldn't go over 80 miles an hour, and for almost the entire trip we didn't go over 80, except for once we hit 82. So I mean, we really didn't have to speed in order to figure out the riddles and plot your route and be there the fastest. So I mean, it's a lot of fun. If you guys want to join, rallynorthamerica.com, come on out. With that, I think I'm done for the day. Make sure you like and subscribe. Share this video. I only have 200 some subscribers right now. Obviously I'd like to get that as high as I could, but if you like the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.